I love using pack rails. They're very decorative in your interior. I have them all over my bathroom to hang plants from. Those are very useful. I'm going to make some to hang in the hallway to hang our coats from. And they are super easy to make yourself. Let me show you how. Let's have a look at my timber pile. If there's anything useful in here. Oops. Ooh, this would work. I think these will work really well. It's a soft plain timber and it's 7 centimeters wide and 17 millimeters thick. Now let's go find some dowels. This is what I found in my scrap pile. Ideally I want to use these. I really like these dowels, these wooden rods, but these are 14 millimeters in diameter and I don't have a 14 millimeter drill bit. I have 10, I have 16, I have 22. I do, however, have an 18 millimeter drill bit and these are 18 millimeter dowels, so we're going to use the thicker ones. Besides your timber, your dowel and your drill bit, you need some sandpaper, a pencil, a ruler, a drill, wood glue, mine is on this last legs, but hopefully there's enough in there, a cloth and a saw. Start by cutting your timber to size. I need mine to be 61 centimeters. I do have a power tool, but for small cuts I really like using my hand saw. To work out how many pegs you need, I'm first going to mark the middle of your timber. Mine is on 3.5. You want the holes to hang it from the wall from on 2 centimeters from the end, so we're going to mark those out first. So we have the hanging hole 2 centimeters from the end, so let's do the first peg on 5 centimeters from the end. So now we have a peg on 5 centimeters from the edge, let's put one there. And then let's just see what looks nice. I think maybe a gap of 8 centimeters. That looks quite nice. So let's see how that will work out. Ooh, every 8 doesn't work out nice. So I think I need to move on to every 9 centimeters to have them evenly spaced. So let's do one at 9, 18. So now I know I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dowels. And we're going to cut the dowels to 7 centimeters. Let's do a little mark on my workbench of 7 centimeters. Get our dowel and mark them. And rub that out again. There we have our 7 dowels, and let's sand the edges smooth. The piece of sandpaper is way too small and I'm running out, so I'm using a disc from my sander. It's time to drill the holes in a piece of timber, and we're going to do a pilot hole first with a 4 millimeter drill bit, and then we move on to the bigger one. Let me put a piece of scrap timber underneath here so I don't drill into my workbench. With all the pilot holes drilled, I'm going to flip it over to the good side. With a spare bit of timber underneath, this timber shouldn't split when I put a drill on. But just in case it does split, I'd rather have that on the back than on the front. So now these holes for your pegs are all going to be 18 millimeters. Clamp this in place. Now give these a little sand. So now we're going to put the pegs in the holes. And for this you need the wood glue. My wood glue is almost finished, so I popped it on here. And this with my finger I'm going to pop it in the hole. Put plenty of wood glue in there. Wood glue on your peg. And insert. Whatever comes out you just wipe off with your cloth. Some of them might be a bit tight, so just give it a little tap with a hammer. Until they're nice and flush with the back. So it's all nice and clean, because it'll be tricky to stain over the wood glue later. And now we're going to let this dry for a few hours. So the glue has set. The pegs are really nice and secure. By the way, the back is very flush, as you can see. So what you can do, you can hang it from the wall like this, or you can paint or stain yours. And I'm choosing to stain mine a dark oak. So I'm going to let this dry now, and then my pack rail is ready. Yeah, this is not my hallway. I attached it to my daughter's bed temporarily, just to show you what it looks like when the pack rail is finished and you put some coats on it. And also how easy it is to attach. This one is simply screwed straight into the wall, but when I now hang it in the hallway, of course need to drill a hole into the wall, insert a wall plug, and then with a screw attach it like that. For the hallway though, I'm gonna have to make 3 more, because in total I'm gonna have 4 of these pack rails to hold our coats, and I'm gonna give the whole hallway a makeover, but you're gonna have to wait a few more weeks for that video. But this shows you don't need a lot of power tools to make bits for your home. All you need is an hour of your time, a handsaw and a drill, and this pack rail can be all yours. If you enjoyed this video, please have a look at all the other DIY and craft videos here on the Handmade Home channel, and I really hope to see you soon.